Hi folks, Brian Meskel here at Johnson RV. A great day to show you this 2020 Leisure Travel Unity twin bed. It's a beautiful coach here. It is on the Mercedes chassis. We are 25 feet 1 inch in length. One nice thing about Leisure Travel, this is a vacuum bonded wall. You can knock all the way down. Great insulation as well as gives you some curb appeal, not having a square box. This being the 2020 twin bed model, we do have quite a bit of storage here. You can see the outside table as well as almost pass through all the way along. We've got storage bins down below as well. Right there is where your table attaches under your beautiful power awning. See, we do have a backup camera on this model and a 5,000-pound towing hitch. Here we go again with some more storage up front. This will be your waste station here. And if we open this bad boy up to see the other side of that storage, you see in here we do have some of the cushions that go in the front. You do have access to that both through the bedroom in the back as well as this outside compartment, which is a very nice feature on days like today when it's a little bit wet and rainy. As we enter into the door, you see our power stair does come out. You have a switch, you can turn that on and off when you're camping to leave it in place. As we step into the beautiful front area, again on this Mercedes chassis, 25 feet 1 inch in length. Both front seats do swivel, and you've got two side facing seats here with a seat belts. Table mounts in the middle. You can have four sitting around the table playing cards. Also makes into a single bed out here, and with the blow up mattress addition, you can make this into a queen size bed out front. You see here we got the galley area, nice countertops, solid surface Corian. We've got this comes up, gives you a little bit more room. Everything is flush mount, so while you're not using the stove, you do have that as counter space. Nice drawer, pull-out drawers. As you see, we do have a place to hang our coats. We've got our power on-off switch as well as a lot of the switches for inside. Cabinetry up above, all the way around. Nice soft closing. This is our service center, so to speak. We do have 4-point leveling jacks on this, as well as Cummins Onan. Yeah. Oh, nice fridge. Great thing about this fridge is that's the freezer portion, but it opens from both sides, so easy access. Microwave, convection oven, nice TV up front with a sound bar. All of your entertainment center is up here. Again, more storage. Just very nice features in this coach. As you come back to the bed area, we've got two twin beds, which is great. Comfortable to sleep on this way, but if you're interested, you can bring this down. The two cushions here fall in place, and now you have a king size bed. More storage here as well as above. We've got hanging closets on both sides, storage up above, and as I had mentioned earlier, just the ease of picking this up, you've got access to that storage area that's also from the outside. So nice thing, you don't have to come in and out of the coach just to fill it up. One of the other nice features here is we've got our separate bath. So we've got the toilet, the sink, more racks and storage. And then over here we have our nice big shower. Perfect. It's got a raised roof on it, or a dome, so that you can fit. But one of the cool things is with this door closed, now we've separated the front living area from the back living area. And again, my name is Brian Meskel at Johnson RV. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to give us a call and ask for Brian.